If a silver jewelry jewelry Hey tribe, welcome to another video. My name is Jennifer Oyubu, and if you're new on this channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome back to all my returning subscribers. Today I am going to be telling you guys how to know your undertone. But before we get into that, first, I would like to tell you the difference between a skin tone and an undertone. Skin tone is the color on the surface of the skin, whereas the undertone is a subtle color or a subtle hue under the surface of your skin. Now, there are 4 types of skin tone, which is light, fair, medium, and deep. And there are 3 types of undertone, which is cool, warm, and neutral. Now that I have gotten the difference between the skin tone and the undertone out of the way, I will not be focusing on the skin tone. Rather, I will be telling you guys how to determine your undertone. I'll be telling you the importance of why you should know your undertone and all that jazz. If you have troubles knowing the colors that suit your natural complexion, or you have colors determining the kind of foundation that would go with your skin tone, or you have trouble determining the color of clothing that will suit you best or that will make you look your best, then this video is definitely for you, so keep on watching. There are 5 ways or 5 tests to determine your undertone. Test 1 is through your veins. If you check your veins, these things right here, if you check your veins in natural bright light, and if the color comes out slightly blue or slightly purple, you most likely have a cool undertone. But if you check your veins and your veins are greenish in color, then you most likely have warm undertone. But if you're in between the two, in between blue, purple, green, a bit of red, then you most likely have a neutral undertone. Test 2, which is one of my favorite and most easiest tests, if you ask me. Test 2 is the jewelry test. If you notice that silver accessories, like silver earrings, silver neck pieces, silver bangles or bracelets, if they look flattery on you, then you most likely have a cool undertone. But if you find out that gold jewelry, that's gold earrings, gold neck pieces, and gold bracelets, they look more flattery on you, then you most likely have a warm undertone. But if the two look flattery on you, then you have a neutral undertone. I for one know that I have a warm undertone because gold brings out the best in me. Gold looks flattery on me. Gold suits me best. It brings out the natural complexion in me and looks really good flattery on me, and I gravitate towards gold anything a lot. Test 3 is the white paper test. For this test, you need to hold a white plain paper under your skin like this. Plain paper under your skin in a natural bright light. If the color comes off a bit yellowish or golden, then you have a warm undertone. But if the color bouncing off on your skin comes off a little pinkish, then you most likely have a cool undertone. But if they're in between colors, most likely have a neutral undertone. Test 4 is the burn test. What do I mean by the burn test? If you go out into the sun and you tan easily but you don't burn like really quickly, then you most likely have a warm undertone. But if you go out into the sun and you burn quickly then tan, then you most likely have a cool undertone. If you tan easily but don't really burn very often, then you most likely have a neutral undertone. The final test, which is the color test. This test requires you to check the color of your clothes against your skin to see which colors suit you best. For example, if cool colors like blue suit you best, then you most likely have a cool undertone. If warm colors like yellow suit you best, then you most likely have a warm undertone, like what I'm wearing. It has a bit of yellow. Yellow suits me best. Fun fact, I never really used to like yellow as a color because I just thought it was not flattering. And so I had a rude awakening. I had this yellow top that I have had for a really long time. And that day, I really had nothing to wear and I threw it on. And should I tell you, I looked absolutely amazing and that yellow top. It was really nice, and that's how I knew that, oh, yellow really suits me. If you check the color of your clothes against your skin and you find out that all colors or all shades of colors really suit you, then you have a neutral undertone. These are the 5 tests you need to take, or you need to practice to really know your true undertone. There are many other tests out there, but I decided to bring out or to highlight this 5 because I feel like they're simple, they're easy, and it's something that you can do from the comfort of your home without breaking the bank or without stressing too much. Knowing your undertone helps you to pick out the right color clothes to help you look your best. Number 2, it helps you pick out the right makeup products to complement your natural complexion, and it helps you pick out the right hair color to complement your overall look. Your skin tone can change due to the season and the amount of exposure from the sun, but your undertone remains the same. Your undertone doesn't change whether with season or with the exposure of the sun. So you see why it's important to really get to know your undertone. Ever since I knew my undertone, it has really helped me a lot in terms of knowing the right product to use, the right color of clothing to go for. If I want to dye my hair the right kind of color, that I know the right kind of color that will suit me. I did dye my hair a certain time and I went for white, gold. Gold is kind of like under that warm family, and it really suited me. Well, that is all for this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you found it informative. I hope you found this video insightful. If you have any more questions concerning your undertone, or you're not really clear on a particular issue of what I've said right now, then you can please leave all your concerns, all your questions, all in the comment section, and I will be very available to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching up on this point of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share with your friends, with your friends, with your family, with strangers, with whoever. Share with everybody that you think needs to see this video. Share it with them. Please like my videos because it really helps YouTube to recommend my videos to people that might like this kind of content. Thank you for the support, thank you for the love. Until my next video, be safe, be kind. I love you. Bye guys.